Vegetarian breakfast croissants are a favorite in my house. All the best parts of the ones you get at a fast food restaurant without the meat. This is a list of the ingredients we're going to be using. So let's get started. Oh, first, heat up your griddle and spray it with oil. That way your hash browns come out crispy. Lay your hash browns on the griddle like this and cook them for 5 to 10 minutes on this side. Flip and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Now it's time for the bacon and eggs. I'm using just egg patties, and I'm using Morningstar vegan bacon. You'll be surprised how much it tastes just like bacon. Let's start by oiling the griddle. Now place the just egg patty on the griddle. They come in individual packs, so you will need to cut them open. To save time, open them before you get ready to put them on the griddle. This is what Morningstar vegan bacon looks like. It comes in a package that's similar to regular bacon. Fill the rest of the griddle with the vegan bacon. This is what your bacon should look like. If it's a little limp when you take it out, don't worry. As it cools, it will become crispy like regular bacon. Place your next batch of bacon onto the griddle. You should be able to cook 1 pack of bacon in the time it takes to cook 4 just egg patties. Now here's where you're going to use the black salt. Black salt adds an eggy flavor and is very salty. You need to remove the egg patties first before you place the black salt into the egg. You want to make sure that you do not add it until you are done cooking the egg. If you do, you will lose some of your egg flavor. Prepare your croissant by cutting them in half. I chose to toast mine, but you don't have to. Now it's time to assemble our vegetarian breakfast croissant. I'm going to start with a slice of Kobe Jack. Next, I add a slice of sharp cheddar. We're going to top that with an egg. And next comes our crunchy hash browns and 2 slices of bacon. And there you have it, a vegetarian breakfast croissant that doesn't skip on the flavor that you get from a fast food restaurant. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more of these easy vegetarian recipes.